Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter unique text in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a purchase data. So in this data there is one column is category. So in this category there are some, you can see the category with the duplicate. Okay, so here I'm going to filter only unique category. Okay, so first select the full column. You can select the full column, just click on the column name E, and the second way, you just drag with the mouse and select the entire column. And the third way, select the first cell and use the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column of this data. After that, go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, click on the advanced option. And here you see the advanced filter dialog box is open. In action, the first option is automatically selected. Then in list range, select the range of your column. Just click on this arrow and select your range of your column. Just click on the first cell and use again shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Again click on the arrow and click on the unique records only. And when you click on the unique records only, it's filter the unique text in this column. Just click on OK, and that's it. Here you see only the unique text is filtered here. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.